In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate signature in Adobe Sign. Delegation lets you pass the signing responsibility to someone else when you can't sign a document yourself, while keeping the agreement in the same secure Adobe Acrobat Sign workflow. I'll walk you through the 3 common ways to do it and share a few helpful tips along the way. The most common method starts right from the email you received. Open the message from Adobe Sign and select Review and Sign. This opens a preview of the agreement. In the top right corner, open the Options menu and choose Delegate Signing to Another. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person who should sign instead of you. There's also a message box where you can add a short note if you want to explain why you're delegating or provide context. Keep it professional and avoid including any sensitive information. When you're ready, click Delegate. The new signer will receive an email asking them to sign the document, and the original sender will be notified that you delegated the signature. Until the delegated signer completes the agreement, you can still sign it yourself if plans change. If you prefer to delegate even faster, you can do it directly from the email notification without opening the full document. Open the Adobe Sign request, look for the delegate link in the message, and click it. Enter the email address of the person who should sign in your place, then submit the delegation. Adobe Sign will automatically route the agreement to the new signer. This approach is quick and leads to the same outcome as delegating from the document preview. You can also delegate while logged into your Adobe Sign account, which is handy if you're managing several agreements. Sign in, go to the Manage tab, and find the document listed under Waiting for You. Open it with View and Sign, then go to Options and choose Delegate Signing. Enter the new signer's email and confirm to complete the handoff. A few important notes before we wrap up. The original signer remains able to sign until the delegated signer finishes the agreement. The sender is notified when delegation happens, so everyone stays in the loop. And in some organizations, administrators may disable delegation, so if you don't see the option, it might be restricted by policy. That's it. Choose the path that's most convenient for you, double-check the new signer's email, and use the optional message to provide clear context.